Hello everyone, hope you are doing very well. Our today's video is on a new topic, and that is Bravely Fought the Queen, written by Mahesh Dattani. If you have never heard of Dattani, well, it's fine. Let me introduce him. Mahesh Dattani is an Indian playwright, actor and director. He was born in Bangalore in 7th August 1958. Dattani is one of the pioneers of English writers in India. Dattani writes about the society, gender inequality, class barrier in a very comic style. His writings are trustable and very good evidences of the contemporary society, environment and its culture. Mahesh Dattani's famous plays are Final Solutions, Dance Like a Man, Where There's a Will, The Girl Who Touched the Stars, The Big Fat City, 30 Days in September, etc. Dattani also directed many films like Dance Like a Man, Mango Shuffle, and many others like Ek Alag Mausam. Mahesh Dattani got several awards like Best Picture in English Award, Sahitya Akademi Award, Best Production of the Year Award, and so on. So this was an overview on Mahesh Dattani, the writer himself. That was important for understand his writings. So now let's jump straight to the plot of the Bravely Fought the Queen, and let's make English straightforward. Bravely Fought the Queen is a 3-act stage play. The 3 acts are Women, Men, and Free for All. The play is set in Bangalore, India. Jiten and Nitin are 2 brothers. They have an advertising agency and they married 2 sisters, Dolly and Alka. In the first act named Women, we see the deeper world of the girls. What they do, how they interact with each other, how they plan to spend time with their husbands, their ambitions, etc. The women spend most of the time in their houses and look after their aged mother-in-law, Ba. In the second act, named Men, Dattani draws a fine picture of the male world. The 2 brothers, Jiten and Nitin, run their advertising company. They often do struggle to promote their company. They also have an assistant named Sridhar, and Sridhar actually manages all the important tasks for their company. We would see the 2 brothers arguing on various purposes. They are having alcohol and wanting to bring prostitute in their office. In the third and final act, the reality reveals. We come to know that one of the 2 brothers, Nitin, had a homosexual relationship with his wife's brother, and Jiten have an unorthodox girl who is now admitted to a special school. Through this short play, Dattani portrays our true social situation. Any of the main characters of this play is not happy with his or her circumstances. Still, they are trying to hold their position in the society. That's what we are doing every day. We are compromising with our conditions. We have abilities to break the social norms, but we do not do this. Not only Alka and Dolly, we all are like bonsai. There are so much opportunities inside us, but every day we trim our own instincts to cover our original demands. Bravely Fought the Queen has the central theme of female oppression by the patriarchal society. It talks about the real position of women in the contemporary Indian society. Ba shows all her anger over her 2 daughters-in-law, Dolly and Alka. Dolly and Alka is also seduced by their husbands Jiten and Nitin respectively. They are actually the victims of male dominance and violence. But both Dolly and Alka are so used to the torture that they never express or complain about their pain. This is the real story. Indian women were always been the subject to male dominance like all other countries in the world. Act 1 and Act 2 of the play are too complicated to understand, or better to say, too complicated to relate with each other. Some confusions will rise in your mind if you read Act 1 and Act 2, but all the secrets are revealed in the Act 3. Until the end, we do not come to know that who is Praful, why the relation between Jiten and Dolly is not simple, and the homosexuality of Nitin. Bravely Fought the Queen is one of the greatest piece of writings by Mahesh Dattani. You obviously should read this at least once, because this play is not only an entertainment but also a socio-cultural evidence. You can better understand your environment, whatever country you are from. Now for the bonus talk, we have something for you. Till watching the video, you may be little confused about the title of the play. Well, let us describe it. The title Bravely Fought the Queen is actually inspired by the legend of Rani Lakshmibai. Rani Lakshmibai was the Queen of Jhansi, a British-ruled state in North India. Queen of Jhansi Lakshmibai was a very lusty and courageous woman who fought against the British. She was also an expert in athletes and war. Gradually, Lakshmibai became the idol to the entire India that was fighting against the British rule. Here, Mahesh Dattani very cleverly makes the title symbolic to Alka's behavior. He also introduced Alka dressed in the Queen Lakshmibai costume. So that was a very crisp video on Bravely Fought the Queen. We tried to give you only the essential concepts and informations in a nutshell video. We really want your feedbacks and support to grow up. You also can appreciate us by liking this video. But for now, tell me goodbye. We'll be meeting on another Slideshow English video.